Good morning, students. Welcome back to our language arts lesson. Today, we will be reading to compare and contrast character traits. How are we alike or different? When we compare, we tell what is similar. When we contrast, we tell what is different. For example, a baseball and a baseball bat. The similarities: both are toys and both are used in a baseball game. But in contrast, they have different shapes, they are made from different materials, and they are used differently. A Venn diagram is a good graphic organizer which can be used to guide our writing when comparing and contrasting. In completing a Venn diagram about two characters, we will write what is similar in the center where both circles overlap. In the outer part of the circles, we will write what is different about each character. Remember to label each circle with the character's name. External description. Now, in comparing and contrasting characters, we think about what we can see on the outside, such as the character's height, complexion, hair length, eye color, and shape of the face. The external description is what you see when you look at someone. That person does not have to be known by you. You can only describe the external appearance of people who you don't know. The internal description refers to how people are on the inside. That means how they act, think, or speak. What makes them who they are? This will only be known if you know the person. Remember, for external description, you can only describe what you see on the outside. But for internal description, you get to describe the person's attributes, thoughts, and actions. Words to describe internal and external characteristics. For words to describe the internal characteristics, we can think of words like confident, kind, helpful, brave, smart, funny, talkative, curious, nervous, friendly, shy, cheerful, talented, quiet. Please note that these are words that we can use to describe your personality, your actions, and even the way how you speak. For external characteristics, in describing your hair color, we can use words such as black, brown, red, blonde. For your hairstyle, we can use words such as curly, straight, long, short. For your eye color, we can use words such as brown, hazel, green, blue. For your size, we can say you are short, you are tall. And other characteristics could include your skin tone, freckles, braces, glasses, and the clothing that you wear. Now that you have grasped some words that we can use when comparing and contrasting characters, look at these words written in red. Their meanings are written beside them. Now place the words under their correct group. Which ones would be internal traits and which ones would be external traits? Now that you know some words to describe characters, you're going to use them to help you in your writing. You will also use those words or think about them when you are reading. You will now move to comparing and contrasting the two sisters, Charlotte and Shirley, who you will learn about in your reading activity. Try to find 2 traits that make these twin sisters similar and 2 which make them different. Save this information because you will use it later on in class. Now zoom in later for more learning on comparing and contrasting character traits. See you in class.